Hi there, ready to speak real English? Let's skip the boring stuff and start practicing right now. Welcome to your new lesson. Today, we have 10 new useful sentences for you. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with the first one. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. I made my bed. I made my bed. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I'll make a cup of coffee. I'll make a cup of coffee. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm leaving for work now. Great job. Now, let's focus on listening. I will repeat the sentences without text. Just trust your ears and listen carefully. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. I made my bed. I made my bed. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I'll make a cup of coffee. I'll make a cup of coffee. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm leaving for work now. Now, it's your turn to speak. I'll show you the video. And I want you to say the full sentence out loud. Don't worry, you can do it. Here we go. Excellent work. Now, let's put everything together. It's time for a short story. Relax and try to understand the general meaning. Every morning, my alarm goes off at 7 a.m. Even though I'm sleepy, I know it's time to wake up. First, I make my bed to keep my room tidy. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. And I wash my face with cold water to wake up fully. After that, I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. While drinking it, I look at my closet and ask, what should I wear today? Finally, I grab my bag and I'm leaving for work now. Now, it's challenge time. Listen to the story again. Try to answer the questions and write your answers in the comments below. I will check them myself. See you in the next lesson. Question 1. What time does the alarm go off? Question 2. What does he wash his face with? Great job today. You're getting better every time. Practice these lines, and I'll see you in the next video for more. Keep it up.